Hello everybody, so it's Felipe Browse here. I'm your West Coast Swing friendly teacher, and in today's video we're going to look at how to do some really cool hand changes, like intermediate style moves, where you drape the hand over the follower's head and over your head. Let's go. So we have our recap class we did for West Coast Swing Portugal. It was our intermediate class, and a huge thank you to Har for helping me out, my dear student. So we were doing some cool things inspired by a video by Robert Cordoba, which I'll link below. And these are some really cool moves to make your sugar pushes add a bit of difference, a bit of spice to them, how we can also do hand swaps in nice, cool ways. So the first thing we did was to look at, with a normal sugar push, we normally do this, and a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6. I'm going to swap sides now, actually, so we have the open side here. Yes, so we're going to go, and a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6. But now, instead of doing this, we ask for the hand and let go. And it gets the normal sugar push. It gets boring. We're going to do it with we're going to swap hands. But instead of doing a swap like this, 2, 3 and 4, let's swap hands here. A bit boring. Let's spice it up. So we're going to do this one. We're going to go and a 1, 2, 3 and a 4. They're going to drape the hand over as we swap hands. Very nice. So that one again, it's and a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6. We can do the drape. The technique points for this is that I'm raising the hand up and that we're keeping this sort of magnet connection where the follower is putting a bit of pressure downwards and I'm putting a bit of pressure upwards against each other like this. And then I'm putting the palm of my hand to the side, making a window. Hello. I'll show you the window this side here so you can see the window. Thank you, Har. So I was like moving it, sorry about that. So we have the window here and I'll just drape it around. Now we're keeping the magnets here like this. Very nice. So the follower's really cool job for both of us is to always keep, when there's a connection, we kind of move towards it with each other. So this is Har, this is me. We're kind of coming towards each other with a magnet. And now we've swapped hands, much more interesting. And then if I want to swap back, I can go 1, 2, drape here, and now I can swap here. So we did that. The leader can also drape themselves. So we're in our sugar push here. I can also go, imagine we're going to go, we went right to right. We can go 1, 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6. So that's a nice move because I'm draping myself, but I can change my angle. I can apply a bit of pressure on the hip as I slow down that follower into compression, and then they come back out again, just like that. Very nice. I can also drape this way round by doing another window and then coming around. You will find that moving to the side is going to create more space. If I don't go to the side, it's going to be like this, and we might crash into each other, but here, I have more space, and I can reach further. From here, I reach less than I'm here. Very cool. So we had that as well. So, putting this together, we had a normal sugar push, and a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6. Now I do it with a drape. 1, 2, 3. I might swap to this hand. 5 and a 6. Then a 1, 2. I've even changed it slightly now. Our draping from last time. And then here, I'm just playing different drapes now. It's fun. Then I might drape myself. I'm playing different orders now, different arms. My personal favorite one is this one here. Nice. Also, with the sugar push, I like to do a tap step. So with a tap step, I'm going backwards on 1, to the side for 2, and then I stay here and tap. This avoids us hitting each other because the follower is going to stay on their original track. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then I'm tapping here. Very nice. So now we're going to move on to our next thing. We're looking at the follower's frame and the leader's frame. And this is really cool, West Coast Swing, that we want to have our shoulders, I like to say, up, side and down, nicely engaged. And the frame is connected to our center, to our hips as well. And then, but there is a bit of give. So it's not potentially like any other styles of dances, which could be more stiff. It's a bit more relaxed. And then, so there's a bit of give, but it's connected to the center. And if I move it, it moves the center as well on the hips. This is how we can create a cool lead. So, what we're going to do here is a really nice move. We're like the lateral style move. And we are going 1, 2. We're coming out to the side here. And we're going to go back to back. And again, we have magnet points here, and then moving down to the back. And this is cool. We're kind of pushing energy towards each other like this. And then I'm going to take this hand here. Well, the first level actually is where we can just play the music. Energy on the back. And then The first level is we can just lift up up and down, and that's the easy level. But we want to have a harder level. So that's the first stage. And then when you're ready, it's like we're doing a sugar push. You're going backwards on one, forwards, you'll feel that lead there. As then I move to the side. And it's the opening of my torso to the side that's going to lead us, it's going to lead our follower to open, because my hips are opening and so are hers. Beautifully done. And then I continue to step here. And then I released. We have like a cogwheel action like this. Very nice, huh? Like this. And now I'm going to take the hand, lift it up. I'm going to continue walking around. The follower's going to stay on my right side. And I'm going to bring the hand down and then up. And then I'm going to turn my left shoulder backwards. And we're now going to have this beautiful moment. Coming right also, I trimmed you up there. And then release before they reach the end. And there's time for them to come out there. So that's very nice. Let's do that one again. So we had our start like a sugar push and the 1, 2 opening up here. And then I'll take this hand here, lift it up, keeping the follower on my side. And then I come down to up, keeping shoulder to shoulder. Then I turn my left shoulder towards my follower. And then we create this really nice moment. I like to look away like a Maxence Martin would say, like you're chasing your tail. Before the follower reaches the end, maybe here, I start to release. And then magically we'll get to the end of the slot. That's such a fun move to do. So you can try that as well. What's good about this move as well is it adds rotation. Instead of the dance being like always in a slot, this adds a bit more rotational energy and adds a bit of va-va-voom. And I think that was everything we did. I think that was everything we did, right? Anything you want to add to it? Something else we can do, a bonus move. We can do drapes on other moves. It doesn't have to always be on sugar pushes. So she has no idea what we're going to do. So we're going to do, for example, a left side pass, but with a drape here. 2, 3, and a 4. And I can swap hands here. So this is now adding another change. I do a drape for myself as we do a left side pass. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, and a 6. Or an inside roll with a drape. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, and a 6. But now we add a drape. So I'm going to come back to this side here. And it adds a bit of spice to the move. So we're going to do cross-handed hold. And then we're going to ask for this hand here. And then we're going to bring the hands, this right hand over towards my left shoulder and the front, my left hand up and over. Covering my microphone there. And that's an even nicer move to do. This is a little bonus move. So we'll try that again. We're going to go, I'll just come back to this side here. So it's a cross-handed hold. After the hand here. And now we're going to bring both hands. The right one, well, my right comes towards my shoulder. The other one comes down to up. And we're adding another spicy move there. So if you have any questions, feel free to write anything below. Thank you so much, Hal, for your help today. She's only started West Coast Swing this year, and she's doing so well. So great student of mine. It's amazing. And in case you're interested, I'm available to help with one-to-one coaching or with couples. Can be in person or online. I live in Lisbon in Portugal. And also if you'd like to partner with me, for example, I like to go to more West Coast Swing events and competitions, and you can become like a partner, or I'll send you updates on how the competitions are going, the World Swing Dance Council competitions, which I want to do more of to get up the rankings. Then that'd be wonderful if you want to partner with me. I also have a tip jar available, so feel free as well if you want to give to that. And I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, then you're welcome to also give this a like. And I'd love to invite you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and on that bell icon. And that will get to help to get notified when videos are available. And I just want to say as well, don't forget to enjoy your dancing and also to let your style shine.